Indeed, today steel is used more and more in other applications than infrastructure. We see it used in buildings, housing, halls, office buildings and so on. And there is an ever greater use of steel also thanks to the strong push in decarbonization all over the world. When we talk about decarbonization, of course, steel is the material of choice because in ArcelorMittal, where we are producing all our sections out of 100% scrap, we see a very clear reduction in CO2 emissions compared to the traditional BOF route. So producing our X-Carb recycled and renewably produced sections within ArcelorMittal lead to a very strong reduction in CO2 emissions, more than 75% compared to the traditional route. And on top, our steel is produced not only with 100% scrap, but also with 100% green electricity. Green electricity meaning that the electricity comes from solar or wind power. So that is a real progress, and it is a real strong sign to the world that we are very serious about decarbonization and that we will reach our net zero target by 2050.